Hi everyone. I think it's a worldwide injustice that most aim trainers were made for MNK players, so roller players just don't have any comfortable and effective way to train. So I made it. In a previous year of development that I didn't show, I already split the AimControl for sections. Each section handles sensitivity and settings for chosen game. Here you can see my 4-free sensitivity and linear response curve, the same that I'm using in Apex. But this isn't the point of the video. Last update changed the way player controls a camera, and it affected recoils. So now my first target is to fix recoils. Here you can see I have scriptable objects that handle information about recoil. These last two values now used only in special recoils, and do nothing for the others. And the first two values, now they're simply wrong. So let's fix this. Hit and play and choosing level. My favorite to run test is from low ground to high ground. Now entering Apex, firing range, taking R99 and golden mag. Using some magic powers and skipping 6 hours of boring fixes. Now that work is done and we have our brand new and nice working recoils, we got two other problems to fix. Both of them caused by object pooling. It's a common and effective way to reduce CPU work. In our case, instead of creating new bullet every time player shoot, the bullet that already collided with some object, for example a wall, gets hidden from the player and then being reused. Let's get straight to them. First problem is if you get too close to the wall, you just won't be able to see the bullet trails. That happened because bullets collide with the wall at the very frame it was fired and instantly hide to come back in reuse pool. Because of that, bullets didn't even was drawn by the game. Second problem is that we can see trail coming from the place bullet hit back to the weapon when bullet being reused. Again, that happened because bullet was reused at the same frame it came back to pull. I couldn't catch this one on record, but this bug exists and we got to fix it. Both problems can be fixed with just a single thing, bullets buffer. I'll show it and explain. Here is a class that handles information about bullets. And here I'm overriding equals and get hashcode methods as they used in arrays to compare objects of this class. Here we can see the main cycle that calculates position and collision of the bullets. And here are the places where bullets gathered to be removed from active list. Here bullets are removed from active list and enter in the buffer. Here is the buffer itself. Bullets stay here for 0.1 second and only then returning to be reused. So now when our problems are fixed, we can finally get to the part you all been waiting for. Of course, it's comparing. Let's see how close recoils in AimControl fit recoils in Apex. I picked Flatline as a weapon to compare, cause it's have one of the strongest recoils in the game, and I think that will make comparing easier. At the end, I have to say that recoil fixing itself was so long and boring, but I'm absolutely happy with the result. If you like the video, you can like and subscribe, and I will leave links for AimControl's Twitter or X and Reddit accounts where you can find much more information about it if you wish. But this is the end of the video. Goodbye.